This is a 15-minute self-worth meditation for you. So get comfortable sitting or laying down and just make any last-minute adjustments. And just close down your eyes and just bring your awareness to your inside self. Just check in how you're feeling in this moment. Be aware of any emotions you have and anything that is disturbing you or been on your mind today. And just let those thoughts pass through and make a decision that this is your time to spend a little bit of time with your inside self, to deepen your connection to being present and being here with yourself, not in the past, not in the future, but to be here in the here and now. So just be aware of the breath in and out, in and out, in and out. Now ask yourself, have I been looking for reassurance? Have I been looking for reassurance through social media, posting photos of myself or posting things to get attention from someone or more than one person? Ask yourself if you've been looking for reassurance through text messages, through people calling you. Just ask yourself, have I been doing that? Now, make a decision to give that up, to stop chasing any sort of attention, reassurance, chasing, looking for love, looking for validation, all of that. Make a decision to give that up and to spend time alone with yourself, just being in the presence of Source and developing that connection to just sit and be in the peace. Learn to cultivate this presence within you. Make a decision that this is an important thing to you now, to practice and do this on a regular basis. Just to be with yourself, to stop all of that looking for love, looking for reassurance, trying to get attention, make a decision to give that up. Bring your awareness back to your breathing. In and out. In and out. In and out. I am at peace. I am at peace. I am at peace. I am at peace. I am secure. I am secure. I am secure. I am good enough. I am good enough. I am good enough. I am worthy. I am worthy. I am worthy. May divine love be made alive in me. May divine love be made alive in me. May divine love be made alive in me. I matter. I matter. I matter. I am valued. I am valued. I am valued. I am valued. I am attractive. I am attractive. I am attractive. And bring your awareness back again to your breath. In and out. In and out. In and out. So now bring your awareness up to your mind's eye, and I'd like you to imagine sitting cross-legged on the grass in front of a gentle running stream. You put your hands in and you feel the cool water flowing between your fingers. And you just give thanks for nature and the presence of peace that nature constantly gives us. Nature doesn't look for reassurance. It just is in a state of being. So I'd like you to imagine seeing a leaf floating down towards you, and you just watch it as it comes slowly towards you. And I'd like you to imagine placing any need for reassurance on this leaf. And really be aware of where you look for reassurance. Is it through a type of system like numerology or psychics or tarot or astrology, or from a particular person? Be clear about where you look for reassurance. And I'd like you to place that on the leaf and say to yourself, I'm now going to reassure myself, and I'm going to build my sense of feeling secure and create a presence within myself and a connection between Source and I. So place whatever it is, whichever way you look for reassurance, place it on that leaf, and then watch that leaf slowly move away from you, down the stream, just moving gently away from you. And you now say to yourself, I give up looking for reassurance. And bring your awareness back to your breath. In and out. In and out. In and out. Now give thanks to nature and this beautiful place for the calm that it reflects back to you, for the recharge it has given you while you are here, and for the lesson of generating reassurance from your inside self through your connection to Source. And for today, that is enough. And when you are ready, you can slowly open your eyes.